Hello and welcome. This is Muzassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about REVIT Cloud. So maybe you will be having a doubt that what is REVIT Cloud. REVIT Cloud is used to highlight part of a drawing that are being reviewed. Okay, so let's see how to just draw this one. I will just go here in draw panel. I will select this one. I will just click on this drop down, and here you can see this is the option for REVIT Cloud. Okay, and I will click on this one to activate this one. Now it is asking about that specify first point, so I have to just specify first point here. Okay, now I will just move my mouse freely here. Okay, don't click anywhere here. Okay, and whenever I will just reach on this point, this first point, it will automatically close. Okay, this is all about REVIT Cloud. Now if you want to just change the arc length, you can change as well. I will just activate again this cloud. Okay, REVIT Cloud, and what I will do, I will right click here you can see arc length, so I will give instead of 5 I will give 1 here, maximum also 1. I will hit enter. Okay, now I will give first point and then second point. You can see this arc length is going to change. Okay, now I will just move this freely around this, and whenever I will reach here, it will automatically close. Now there are some more options regarding this. I will go again here draw. Okay, and I will click on this drop down. Here you can see REVIT Cloud, that is for rectangular. If you want to just make rectangular, okay, I will click this one. Now I will give first point like rectangular and then second point. Okay, now if you want to just convert this into REVIT Cloud, you can do as well. I will go here, I will activate this one REVIT Cloud. Okay, and I will right click here. Now you can see here one of the option, that is object. So I will select that object that I want to convert. I will select. You can see here it is just converted. Now it is giving one option, that reverse direction, yes or no. So right now I do not need. Okay, so I will click no. Now let's see what is reverse direction. Okay, let's apply this to this one also. Okay, I will go here, I will select this one, right click, I will go into the object. Okay, now I will click here. Okay, then I will press yes. Now you can see the direction in reverse, arc direction is going to reverse. Okay, now let's see, there is one more option, that is style. So I will just activate this one. I will right click here, I will go into the style. Now the style here right now is normal, so here you can see another style, calligraphy. Okay, I will click here. Now I will give just a first point. Now you can see here and the style is going to change. Okay, now I will just move this one and I will just close this one. Okay, now look close, see that this style is going to change. So this is how we can use REVIT Cloud. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.